Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we discuss about a one cue card. Its name is Describe the game you enjoyed playing when you were younger. Its cues are what is the game, who you played it with, where did you play the game, and explain why you enjoy playing that game. Well, there are several leisure activities which I used to do in my young age, such as playing cricket, chess, watching TV, and so on. Here today I would like to talk about a game that I enjoyed when I was young. It is cricket. During my primary school, I used to watch cricket on television with my father. At that time, I got my interest in cricket and started playing. My classmates, the children of the neighborhood, and I used to play together. I remember I used to play cricket in town hall, which is famous ground for outdoor activities. We used to form two teams of 5 players. I vividly remember we gave the name to the teams India and Pakistan. Moreover, we used to play for 2 to 3 hours in weekdays after tuition class, and on weekends we spent 5 to 6 hours in this activity. Moving further, I have also participated in many cricket related competition in school. Interestingly, I was captain of the school cricket team. This game also taught me leadership quality. However, I also got many injuries while playing cricket, but I remember I did lot of enjoyment that time. At present, I cannot play due to hectic schedule, but I watch live cricket on television whenever I get some leisure time. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.